In this video, I'm going to give you a clear and honest comparison of Notion versus TickTick so you can understand how each tool works, what kind of person each one is best for, and which one will actually make your daily life easier instead of more complicated. Both Notion and TickTick are productivity tools, but they are built with very different philosophies. Before using tools like these, many people rely on scattered notes, random reminders, and mental checklists, which often leads to forgotten tasks and last-minute stress. After moving to a dedicated system, work usually feels more organized and less overwhelming, but the experience depends heavily on which type of tool you choose. Notion is designed as an all-in-one digital workspace where you build your own structure. Instead of giving you a simple to-do list, it gives you pages that can hold notes, databases, task boards, calendars, and reference material all in one connected system. This makes Notion powerful for people who like to see the bigger picture. You can plan projects, store ideas, track goals, and manage tasks in a single place where everything links together. Over time, it becomes more than a task manager. It becomes a central hub for how you think, plan, and organize information. TickTick focuses on something much more specific. It is built to help you manage tasks quickly and stay on top of daily responsibilities without needing to design a system first. When you open TickTick, the focus is immediately on what needs to be done today, what is coming up, and what is overdue. Adding tasks takes seconds, setting reminders is simple, and recurring schedules are easy to manage. Instead of building dashboards or databases, you spend your time checking off tasks and moving forward with your day. In real life, this difference changes how each tool feels to use. Notion feels like building your own productivity control center. You might create a weekly planning page that shows your goals, links to project notes, and displays related tasks all together. This is great for people handling complex work like content planning, research, study systems, or long-term projects where information and tasks need to live side by side. TickTick feels more like a high-performance task companion that stays out of your way. You capture tasks as they come, set deadlines, and rely on reminders and calendar views to guide your day. It also includes extra features like a habit tracker and a focus timer, which makes it especially useful for people trying to build routines and stay consistent with daily actions. The experience is less about designing a system and more about executing tasks efficiently. Another big difference is the learning curve. Notion takes time to set up in a way that truly works for you. Because it is so flexible, new users often spend a while experimenting with layouts, templates, and structures before everything feels smooth. TickTick is much faster to understand. Most people can download it and start managing tasks effectively within minutes, which makes it better for those who want immediate clarity without setup time. So the choice really comes down to how your brain prefers to work. If you like organizing information, connecting ideas, and building a personalized system that can grow with your projects, Notion gives you that depth and flexibility. If you prefer a straightforward tool that tells you what to do today, reminds you at the right time, and helps you build consistent habits, TickTick delivers that speed and simplicity. Some people even combine them, using Notion for long-term planning and knowledge management while relying on TickTick for daily task execution. Each tool solves a different productivity problem, and understanding the difference is the key to choosing the one that truly fits your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you use Notion or TickTick and which one works better for your style of productivity. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future tool reviews.